Steve from EstateMax here, coming to you from Fairfax, Virginia. We will have another EstateMax estate sale Saturday and Sunday, 2 days only, the 20th and 21st in Fairfax, Virginia. This is a real picker's sale, so we're actually going to film it backwards from the lowest level of this 2-floor condo. It's a triple floor walk-up, really. Don't come here if you can't do stairs. And we suggest you park near the Whole Foods store and walk in because there's very, very limited parking. Again, the address will be announced the day before the sale. Don't forget this gorilla will go quickly. We have this really cool 3-wheel hover round selling really cheap. Okay, we're on the main level after doing many stairs. Everything you see in this video is for sale. It's a real picker sale. Lots of little stuff. Great price on this Epson printer and these leather chairs. Built-in wall units you can take down. In the office now. Love this ergonomic chair. And this L-shaped leather sofa. Pretty rug, pretty art. Here's a Segway. And the large eat-in kitchen. Again, this is Steve with EstateMax. Everything you see in this video is for sale, including the grill, the costume jewelry, custom lighting, costume jewelry. That's a Coach bag back there. Kitchen is just packed with stuff. So don't go to the store, come to the estate sale. We got everything for you. From spices to coffee makers to pots and pans. Everything you see in this video is for sale. Address will be announced on Friday. That's the day before the sale. It's a 2-day sale only. Again, it's in Fairfax. Go to EstateMax Facebook page or EstateMax under sales in estatesales.org. Look for 2-day sales in Fairfax. Again, we're upstairs in the exercise room. Weights are selling for 50 cents a pound. We have 2 full 3-piece Bose systems and other accessories for you. Tons of airsoft and airsoft accessories are everywhere in this place. It's your airsoft accessories, exercise equipment, a couple nice inflatable beds, and some in never used condition. Interesting Soviet posters and others. I especially like this one of the Rat Pack. Can you name all 3 members of the Rat Pack? Upstairs, way up high, we've got some IKEA furniture broken down for you already. Again, park near the Whole Foods and walk in. That's the easiest way to do it. Address to be announced the day before the sale. That'll be Friday the 19th. Tons of apparel and clothing. It's in drawers. You have to go through it. All giveaway pricing. Linen closet is stuffed. Here's a guest bedroom. I like this larger-than-life world poster. That's pretty slick. Look at this thing. Wow. Yet another 3-piece Bose system. Awaits, priced at half of retail, in perfect condition. There's the mini speakers that come with it. There's a king-size bed. Some luggage. And of course a giraffe. Again, this is Steve with EstateMax reminding you, if you can't do stairs, don't come to this sale. There are stairs everywhere. And you have to park a distance away, just as a fair heads up to you. But it's a fun sale. Really cool stuff in this 2-story condo on the upper level of a couple condos. Very cool stuff. We'll see you then.